Now take this question from binomial theorem. If the second, third, and fourth terms in the expansion of a plus x whole power n are respectively 240, 720, 1080, then find a, x and n. So now you see, first we will write the general term. So what is the general term? The general term in the expansion of x plus a whole power n is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. So in the expansion, a plus x whole power n, t2 is equal to t1 plus 1. So now we are expressing it in r plus 1 form. So that is nc1 a power n minus 1 x power 1. That is equal to 240. This is equation number 1. The same way, what is T3? I can write it as 2 plus 1. Now in the place of R, I put 2. In the place of X, I write A. And in the place of A, I write X. That is 720, equation number 2. Now T4 is T3 plus 1. That is NC3, A power n minus 3, X power 3 equals 1080. This is equation number 3. Now we will divide 2 and 1. Equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So you will get NC2 a power n minus 2 x square by NC1 a power n minus 1 x power 1 is equal to 720 by 240. Now 1x and 1x get cancelled. NC2 we can write n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. By NC1 is n. And if I take this n minus 1 up, a power n minus 2 minus n plus 1 into x is equal to 24 ones are 24 threes are. So that is equal to 3. N minus n cancel. Here n and n cancel. So you get n minus 1 into x by 2a, because here you get a power minus 1. So that will come in the denominator. That is equal to 3. So we can write this as n minus 1 into x is equal to 6a if I cross multiply. Take this as equation number 4. Now after getting the fourth equation, we will divide 3 by 2. So you will get NC3 a power n minus 3 x power 3 by NC2 a power n minus 2 x power 2 equals 1080 by 720. Now x square cancel. NC3 is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 into 2 into 1. By NC2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 into 1. Then if I bring this n minus 3 down, we will get 1 by a power n minus 2 minus n plus 3 into x. 0, 0 cancel. 36 2s are 36 3s are. So that is 3 by 2. N minus n cancel. Here n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 cancel. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 cancel. So we are left over with n minus 2 into x by 3a equals to 3 by 2. So If you cross multiply, we will get 2 into n minus 2 into x equals to 9a. This is equation number 5. Now we will divide 5 and 4. So if you divide 5 and 4, you will get 2 into n minus 2 into x by n minus 1 into x equals 9a by 6a. X and x cancel, a and a cancel, 3 twos are 3 threes are. Now if you cross multiply, we will get 4 into n minus 2 is equal to 3 into n minus 1. So 4n minus 8 is equal to 3n minus 3. So n is equal to 5. After you get n is equal to 5, substituting in equation number 4. Now if you substitute in equation number 4, you will get 5 minus 1 into x equals to 6a. So 4x is equal to 6a. 2 twos are 2 threes are. So 4x is equal to 3a by 2. Now substituting n and x in equation number 1. So you will get 5c1 a power 5 minus 1 3a by 2 power 1 equals to 240. So 5 into 5c1 is 5. A power 4 into 3 by 2a equals to 240. So a power 5 is equal to 240 into 2 by 15. So 3 5s are 3 80s are 5 1s are 5 16s are. So you got a power 5 equals to 32. So a is equal to 2. So finally we need to conclude. Therefore a is equal to 2. Now after you got a is equal to 2, substitute in this equation. You will get x is equal to 3 into 2 by 2. 2 to cancel, x is equal to 3. Therefore n is equal to 5, a is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. This is the final conclusion. Now you can see, take this next question. If the coefficients of 4 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n are a1, a2, a3, a4 respectively, then show that a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4 is equal to 2a2 by a2 plus a3. So now let's see how we proceed. Since a1, a2, a3, a4 are the coefficients of 4 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. So let a1 is equal to ncr minus 1, a2 is equal to ncr, a3 is equal to ncr plus 1, a4 is equal to ncr plus 2. So now we will take the LHS. LHS is a1 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 by a3 plus a4. So a1 is ncr minus 1 by ncr minus 1 plus ncr. a3 is ncr plus 1 by a3 is ncr plus 1 plus ncr plus 2. Now we will apply the formulas for each one of them. So what is ncr minus 1? N factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial by. See, before moving on to this step, we will simplify the denominator further. So that is ncr minus 1 by ncr minus 1 plus ncr is n plus 1 cr. and NCR plus 1 by NCR plus 1 plus NCR plus 2 is N plus 1 CR plus 2. How I am able to write this? Because of a formula. We have a formula. NCR minus 1 plus NCR is N plus 1 CR. So I simplified the denominator here. Now we will apply the formulas. N factorial by N minus R plus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial by N plus 1 factorial by N plus 1 minus R factorial into R factorial plus N factorial by N minus R minus 1 factorial into R plus 1 factorial by N plus 1 factorial by N plus 1 minus R minus 2 factorial into R plus 2 factorial. Now we need to simplify this further. So N minus R plus 1 and N plus 1 minus R, both are one and the same. So we can cancel these two terms. And here N minus R minus 1. Here also N minus R minus 1. These two terms also can be cancelled. Now I take the denominator up, so it will become N factorial R factorial by N plus 1 factorial R minus 1 factorial plus N factorial R plus 2 factorial by N plus 1 factorial into R plus 1 factorial. Now how can I simplify this further? See, from N and N plus 1, N plus 1 is greater. So I am writing N factorial as it is. Now in R and R minus 1, R is greater. So we write R into R minus 1 factorial by N plus 1 factorial into N factorial I am writing. So the bigger number we are reducing, the smaller we are writing as it is. R minus 1 factorial plus, now N factorial and N plus 1 factorial, which is greater? So N plus 1 is greater. So N factorial into R plus 2 into R plus 1 factorial by N plus 1 into N factorial I can write, then R plus 1 factorial. So we are reducing so that we can cancel the factorials. These two cancel, these two cancel. Then this N factorial cancel, R plus 1 factorial cancel. So that is R by N plus 1 plus R plus 2 by N plus 1. Denominators are same, add the numerators. 2R plus 2 by N plus 1. So that is, so let us take this as LHS. So we got LHS value. The same way we have to take RHS and prove it. Now we need to take RHS and prove the same way. So RHS is equal to 2A2 by A2 plus A3. So what is A2? NCR by NCR plus NCR plus 1. So that is, so 2 into, now we need to take the formula for the denominator. So NCR plus 1 plus NCR can be written as N plus 1 CR plus 1. So that is equal to 2 into NCR is N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial by N plus 1 factorial by N plus 1 minus R minus 1 factorial into R plus 1 factorial. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. So that is 2n factorial. Now denominator I am taking up. So that is n minus r factorial into r plus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial into n plus 1 factorial. Now n minus r factorial cancelled. That is 2. N factorial I am not disturbing. R plus 1 factorial I can write it as r plus 1 into r factorial by r factorial into n plus 1 into n factorial. So r factorial, n factorial cancel. Multiply 2 inside, 2r plus 2 by n plus 1. So this is same as LHS. This is the value of RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Take the next question. If the coefficients of rth, r plus 1th and r plus 2th terms in the expansion of 1 plus x power n are in AP, then show that n square minus 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r minus 2 is equal to 0. Now see, in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, coefficient of TR is NCR minus 1 and coefficient of TR plus 1 is NCR and coefficient of TR plus 2 is NCR plus 1. Now what is given to us? NCR minus 1, NCR, NCR plus 1 are in AP. What do you mean? When ABC are in AP, 2 times the middle one is equal to sum of the other two. So how can I write this? See, let us write the rule first. If ABC are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C. So that is 2 times NCR is equal to NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus 1. Now we apply the formula. 2 times n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to n factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial plus n factorial by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial. From all the numerators, n factorial get cancelled. Now we will simplify it further. So that is 2 by n minus r factorial into r factorial is equal to 1 by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial plus 1 by n minus r minus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial. Now how can we take the LCM for the right hand side? So for taking LCM, we need to simplify it further. So here you have n minus r plus 1 and here n minus r minus 1. Which is greater? N minus r plus 1 is greater. So we will reduce it until we get n minus r minus 1. So n minus r plus 1 into n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial. Then here r minus 1 factorial I am writing as it is. And here I will write n minus r minus 1 factorial as it is. And r plus 1 I will start reducing until I get r minus 1. So r plus 1 into r minus 1 factorial. And here n minus r I have to reduce until I get n minus r minus 1. So this is n minus r into n minus r minus 1 factorial. And r I will reduce until I get r minus 1 factorial. So r into r minus 1 factorial. So from all the denominators, we can cancel n minus r minus 1 factorial from all the terms. Then we can cancel r minus 1 factorial. So what we are left over with? 2 by n minus r is equal to 1 by n minus r into n minus r plus 1 plus 1 by r into r plus 1. Now we take the LCM here. So 2 by n minus r is equal to r into r plus 1 plus n minus r into n minus r plus 1 by n minus r into n minus r plus 1 into r plus 1. Now both the denominators n minus r get cancelled. Now we have to cross multiply and simplify. Over here we have r. I missed r over here. So you get r also. So r and r also get cancelled. Now we need to cross multiply and also multiply the terms. So what do you get? 2 into n minus r plus 1 into r minus 1 is equal to r plus 1 into r plus n minus r plus 1 into n minus r. Now we need to multiply. So we get 2nr plus 2n minus 2r square minus 2r plus 2r plus 2. This is on left hand side. And on right hand side, if I multiply r square plus r plus n square minus nr plus r square plus n minus r. Plus r minus r get cancelled. Plus 2r minus 2r get cancelled. Now we bring all terms one side. So 2nr plus 2n minus 2r square plus 2 is equal to n square minus nr is minus 2nr. R square plus r square is 2r square minus 2. Now bring all terms one side. So you will get n square minus 4nr plus 4r square minus n minus 2 is 0. Now n square, from these two terms I take minus common and also n common. So 4r plus 1 into n plus 4r square minus 2 is 0. So we got the result. Hence proved. So take the next question. If the coefficient of x power 10 in the expansion of ax square plus 1 by bx whole power 11 is equal to the coefficient of x power minus 10 in the expansion of ax minus 1 by bx square whole power 11, then find the relation between a and b. So we can solve this in two cases. So first you take case 1. Given ax square plus 1 by bx whole power 11. So here in the place of x you have ax square, in the place of a you have 1 by bx, and in the place of n you have 11. Now let us take the general term. So general term in the expansion is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r a power r. Now you substitute the values. 11cr ax square power 11 minus r into 1 by bx power r. So that is equal to 11cr a power 11 minus r x power 22 minus 2r. And b power minus r, I am bringing bx to the numerator. So b power minus r x power minus r. So that is 11cr a power 11 minus r b power minus r, and both the powers of x we can add. So x power 22 minus 2r minus r. So that is 11cr a power 11 minus r b power minus r x power 22 minus 3r. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now to find the coefficient of x power 10, you put 22 minus 3r is equal to 10. So 3r is equal to 12 and r is equal to 4. So we got r value this way. Now substituting r is equal to 4 in equation number 1. So you can take this as equation number 1. So we get T4 plus 1 equals to 11C4 A power 11 minus 4 B power minus 4 X power 22 minus 12. So T5 is 11C4 A power 7 B power minus 4 X power 10. So what is the coefficient of X power 10 you got? So this is the coefficient of X power 10. 11C4 A power 7 B power minus 4. This is case 1. Now case 2. What is the case 2? Given. Now the second term which is given. Two terms are given in the question. One is ax square plus 1 by bx power 11. And the other term is ax minus 1 by bx square power 11. Now we are doing with respect to the second one. So here in the place of x you have ax. In the place of a you have minus 1 by bx square. And in the place of n you have 11. Now we will take the general term. So what is the general term? In the expansion, it is TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x power n minus r a power r. So that is 11CR ax power 11 minus r into minus 1 by bx square power r. So that is 11CR a power 11 minus r x power 11 minus r minus 1 power r b power minus r x power minus 2r. So that is 11CR a power 11 minus r minus 1 power r b power minus r x power 11 minus r minus 2r. So that is 11CR a power 11 minus r minus 1 power r b power minus r x power 11 minus 3r. This is equation number 2. Now to find coefficient of x power minus 10, we need to put 11 minus 3r is equal to minus 10. So 3r is equal to 21 and r is equal to 7. Now we need to substitute r is equal to 7 in equation number 2. So you get T7 plus 1 equals 11C7 a power 11 minus 7 b power minus 7 minus 1 power 7 x power 11 minus 21. So that is 11C7 minus 11C7 because minus 1 whole power 7 is minus 1. So this is minus 11C7 a power 4 b power minus 7 x power minus 10. So what is coefficient of x power minus 10? Minus 11C7 a power 4 b power minus 7. Now what is given in the question? That these coefficients are equal. So 11C4 a power 7 b power minus 4 is equal to minus 11C7 a power 4 b power minus 7. So this is 11C4 a power 7 by b power 4. Because if you have a negative power, we can bring it down to make it positive. That is minus 11C7 a power 4 by b power 7. So we get a power 7 by b power 4 is equal to, now 11C4 and 11C7 can be cancelled because 11C7 is 11C 11 minus 7. See 11C7 is 11C 11 minus 7, that is 11C4. So both can be cancelled, 11C7 11C4. So we are left over only with minus a power 4 by b power 7. So here b power 4 B power 4 cancel. A power 4, A power 4 cancel. So if you cross multiply, A cube, B cube is equal to minus 1. Or AB whole cube is equal to minus 1. So AB is equal to minus 1. This is the relation we got. Now take this question. Find the sum to infinite terms of the series 7 by 5 into 1 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 by 10 power 6 plus so on. So let us take this bracket as S. So S is 1 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 1 by 10 power 6 plus so on. Now comparing this equation with 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square plus so on. So in the place of nx you have 1 by 10 square, that is 1 by 100. This is equation number 1. And in the place of n into n minus 1 by 1 into 2 into x square, you have 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4. So over here, we take 1x inside and 1x I will write along with n. So nx into nx minus x by 2 equals to 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4. Here 2 and 2 cancel. In the place of nx I can take 100. So 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 minus x equals to 3 by 10,000. So two zeros get cancelled. So we get 1 by 100 minus x equals to 3 by 100. So x is equal to 1 by 100 minus 3 by 100. That is minus 2 by 100. That is minus 0.02. This is x value. So after getting x value, if you are comfortable with fraction, you can even write it as minus 1 by 50. Now, after getting x value from equation number 1, n into minus 1 by 50 equals to 1 by 100. So 50 ones are 50 twos are. So n is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now s is equal to 1 plus x whole power n. That is 1 minus 1 by 50 whole power minus 1 by 2. If you take LCM, we get 49 by 50 whole power minus 1 by 2. To remove the negative power, we can take the reciprocal. 50 by 49 whole power 1 by 2. So that is root over 50 by 49. Root 50 we can write root over 25 into 2 by 7. So this is 5 root 2 by 7. But the question is 7 by 5 into this expression. So 7 by 5 into this 1 plus 1 by 10 square plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 into 1 by 10 power 4 plus so on. That is 7 by 5 into 5 root 2 by 7. 5, 5, 7, 7 get cancelled. The answer is root 2.